Kaizer Chiefs yathi isayina istriker kanti isayina uKingston Gata part 2 ngoShiva Viru. Hayi nje this season kuKaizer Chiefs kubuye ispirit sakhe Kingston Gata ukuthi labantu laba bayahluleka ukukora, and the worst part ukuthi bahluleka ukukora ama-chance easy ukuthi bawakore yabo, easy. So le moment le ne-phase yakhona kuKaizer Chiefs le nto enzakala kuKaizer Chiefs ingikhumbuza uKingston Gata, Shiva Varo obviously being the replacement of or being the main character udlala uKingston Gata straight yabo. Kingston Gata beyashaya ngama-mumish of the week every week, siyazi ukuthi uKingston Gata uzothola i-chance obvious ukumele ayikore but ngeke ayikore. The saddest part ukuthi ayenzakali like umuntu oyi-one kuKaizer Chiefs. Okay, Chiva Viro obvious awugeja kakhulu but sethelele wonke umuntu ethimini ukuthi mabathola ama-chance bangakori yabo. Sethelele noLilepu, cabanga uLilepu uthole isithanyana basquare ibhola naye wahluleka nje ulidirector back on goal yabo or on target beliyozingenela lela bhola le. So ispirit of Kingston Gata ke sibavizithile ngempela, ngathi kunzima ukuthi basibalekele bodlala i-biggest game possibly of the season ne-Sundowns la bafuna khona i-revenge. Sithemba ukuthi spirit of Kingston Gata so babalekela kancane, ngeke phela sibahlasele labantu laba. Ayisibafisela inhlanhla kuKaizer Chiefs. Sithemba ukuthi ispirit saNkatha ngeke siba-attack kakhulu this weekend mebadlala neMamelodi Sundowns ngo-6 o'clock. Danko.